Hi everybody, this is Bill Matthews, Chief Trader of Vantage Wealth Group, and this is our company's headquarters. This is where thousands of traders have been trained and went on to become professionals. This is also where new and unique Forex innovations have been happening for the past 10 years, and today I am here to tell you about our newest and most impressive Forex innovation. There is nothing out there like it, and only a select few will ever have the privilege of getting to know about Hedge Fund Copier. If you are viewing this video, then you are one of those select few. Congratulations! In this first video of the Hedge Fund Copier training video series, I will cover lots of important material, most of which you probably don't already know, that will give you an insider's understanding of the inner workings of the Forex market. This will be eye-opening information for you, so get ready to take notes. But before I start, I want to let you in on a little secret about the current state of Forex trading for the individual trader. A secret that has been kept away from you for years, and all the brokers and so-called gurus want to keep away from you as long as they can. The secret, quite simply, is the Forex market is not an easy market to trade. Regardless of the claims of brokers and system sellers out there, it's actually a very hard market to make money in. Now, this may not sound like a profound statement, but let me explain further with this analogy. If tomorrow morning you find out that you're being sued by your neighbor, who is a Harvard Law School graduate, and you have a court date in a week's time, what will you do? Will you accept the fact that you are up against a professional and try to seek the advice of a professional on the same level? Or will you go into the court unprepared and try your best to guess what to say and try to predict what you are supposed to be doing? Or will you buy some robot which is claimed to beat top-class lawyers at their own game? I think the answer is crystal clear. As I am sure you have answered, any rational person will choose the first option and seek the help of a professional. Similarly, in Forex, the moment you enter a trade in your trading platform, you are competing with hedge fund managers and professional traders who have spent their entire lives learning how to trade this volatile and fast-changing market. As with the lawyer analogy, your chances of success against these people are very low at best and non-existent at worst. Many people fail to realize this and suffer the consequences of losing their money quickly in Forex. What makes it even more difficult for you, the individual trader, is that these professionals don't like to lose money. And with Forex being a zero-sum game, when you make money, they lose money. Therefore, they have to come up with very, let's say, creative ways to stop you from winning any money in the market. In this video series, I will show you exactly how they do this and what you can do about it, how to protect the money you have right now, and how to increase it consistently. Now let's talk a little bit about the good news. As you well know, global economies and markets continue to collapse. This is bad news for everyone else, but it's really great news for the Forex markets. By the time you are done watching this video, you'll never look at Forex the same way again when you see how the goals of our hedge fund copier innovation are to create a new sustainable income stream anywhere in the world, shield your account from huge losses, start with as little as a $500 account, place your trades in 60 seconds or less, and most importantly, be able to trade the market with the same confidence and expectation of success that the Forex insiders have. Before I go more into detail, I want to show you a quick look at the revolutionary hedge fund copier software. What you are looking at here is the intelligent hedge fund copier software, or as we like to call it, the complete dashboard for the individual trader. We spent over $100,000 in countless hours in research and development for this software. This is probably unlike anything you have ever seen before. It's not a robot, it's not an EA, or an expert advisor of any kind. It's not even a plug-in. It's a 100% custom piece of software, and all it requires is an internet connection. This is the sort of stuff used in the big companies and hedge funds. Now what it does is automatically alert you whenever a trade sets up on one of our 10 different institutional top-secret trading systems. As I will explain later on, these are actual trading systems used by professional trading institutions and hedge funds, and you will get real-time access to the trades generated by these systems. It also alerts you of marketing moving events that are only known to Forex insiders. Gone are the days when the market moves 100 pips in 5 minutes and you are sitting there wondering what happened. With the Market Alert feature, you will know in real time the reason for movement. The software will even tell you if you should take a quick scalping trade during these extreme moves. Otherwise, you will always be up to date on what is happening in the market and will know exactly the current trends with institutional precision. As you can probably see, I'm very excited about this unique software, and I could go on about its features, but we will talk about all the features later. Now let's start by looking at some trades that were generated by the software. What you see here is the main interface of Hedge Fund Copier. Every time a trade sets up, you will hear an alert and you will see the trade details and trade chart. You will also hear an alert when a significant event happens in the market, and the software will even tell you what to do about it. Let's take a closer look at some of these actual trades that were generated by the software. Here's a quick peek at the kind of trades generated by this intelligent software. We are going to be deep diving into how these trades set up and how the software shows you these trades in real time later on. But for now, I just want you to get a feel for what it's like to trade with Hedge Fund Copier. In this case, we had 18 trades in a week of trading, 16 of which were winners. Some weeks you will have more trades, and other you will have fewer trades. But this is indeed typical of what you can expect. Now, I want you to understand these are exceptional results that occur over and over again in these markets, but they are not always this good, and that's why you need to protect your positions with stops, and we are going to deep dive into that a little bit later in the video. Now, small groups of individuals, including our students, already understand how to place great trades like the ones you just saw, and they also understand that most people, especially in the media, think that we are on the brink of a financial apocalypse, and some say it's already here and may even get worse. Let's look at the facts. Governments around the world are bankrupt. They are all debasing their currencies, and it leads to the high probability of hyperinflation. Businesses are not investing nor hiring, and the standard of living is on a declining trajectory for the first time since the Great Depression. This is not just a normal economic downturn. It's a structural shift in the economies of the world, causing serious financial setbacks for almost everybody. Don't expect your government to solve these problems. Don't expect things to return to normal. The great bear market rally in stocks may be ending with lower lows ahead. However, all of this spells great news for the Forex market. You see, all of this financial disruption actually benefits the Forex markets because it causes currencies to fluctuate more than normal. And when currencies fluctuate, that creates trends from which you could siphon off a lot of profit potential. In fact, the Forex markets are currently turning over $4 trillion a day. That's a lot of money changing hands, and I'm going to show you one of the safest and most lucrative ways to get involved. But you need to know how to trade these markets the right way. Most people's Forex accounts get eaten alive because they trade the wrong way, and in these training videos that I'm recording from our company's headquarters, I'm going to show you how to do it the right way so you could add on another income stream. Look, the bottom line is that anything can happen. How long can you support your family and lifestyle if your current source of income were to disappear tomorrow? You certainly can't rely on the government because Social Security is bankrupt. How long will it last in its present form? You need additional income streams, and Forex could be a great one for you. The Forex markets have always provided great potential to be lucrative. However, they have the potential to be extra lucrative right now, and it could be like a gold rush if you know what you're doing. So you need to strike quickly if you want to maximize your profit-taking potential. But you also need to do it as safely as possible so you can keep what you make, and I'm going to show you how to do it. Now, the trades you saw were all generated by Hedge Fund Copier. As I mentioned earlier in the video, in the Forex market, the insiders and the big players are the only ones that win in the market. They want to keep you, the individual trader, out of the game because remember, when you win, they lose. So I decided that the best way to make money like the Forex insider is to join them in their trading. As the saying goes, if you can't beat them, join them. That's exactly what I did. I hired a team of expert programmers to create an intelligent, real-time alert custom software program that tells you exactly when 5 highly successful big fund traders around the world are taking trades and gives you real-time market notifications. These are the guys who move the market, and you get to know exactly what they do as they do it. The trades are categorized into 10 different trading strategies, all highly successful and unmatched in accuracy. The kind of accuracy that is bound to happen when you are the one that moves the market. These 10 strategies are based on a few different trading methods and time frames. I will explain these in detail in the next video. The great thing about having so much trading strategies is that the software generates a lot of trades per week, which is good if you want to be an active trader. Another important advantage of this is that you can pick and choose which trades to take and which to ignore based on your own preferred trading style. For example, if you work full-time, you can trade the strategy based on the daily time frames. You will know exactly when the daily alert for this strategy is generated by the software, and you can then